Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare and how it can completely transform not just how you look, but also how you feel on the inside. Get ready to glow from the inside out. I'm sure you've heard about the wonders of natural skincare, but did you know that it's not just about looking good? It's about feeling good too. Natural skincare is all about using ingredients straight from Mother Nature to nourish and heal your skin, giving you that radiant health we all crave. Today, I'm about to share some top secret DIY skincare recipes that will transform your skin and elevate your beauty routine. Let's face it, we all deal with skin issues like sensitivity, acne, and premature aging. But fear not, the right skincare routine can address these concerns and give you the confidence to rock your natural beauty. Say goodbye to those pesky skin problems. Imagine harnessing the power of nature's finest ingredients like rich honey, rejuvenating turmeric, and soothing aloe vera, all blended into luxurious treatments you can create at home. Yes, we're talking about skincare magic straight from your kitchen. These recipes are not only incredibly effective, but also super fun to make. You'll feel like a DIY skincare guru in no time. And the best part? These treatments are completely natural and safe. Perfect for giving your skin the love it deserves. Stay tuned because today I'm revealing everything you need to know to create your own spa-worthy skincare routine. From brightening masks to nourishing scrubs, these DIY secrets will leave you looking and feeling fabulous. Ready to glow? Let's dive in. Secret 1. Honey and Lemon Face Mask. Our first secret is the Honey and Lemon Face Mask. This mask is fantastic for brightening your skin and fighting acne. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Preparation: 1. Mix ingredients. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Stir until well combined. Application: apply the mask to your clean face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Use this mask once a week for best results. Benefits: brightens the skin, fights acne, provides hydration. Secret 2. Oatmeal and Yogurt Exfoliating Scrub. Next up is the Oatmeal and Yogurt Exfoliating Scrub. This scrub is perfect for removing dead skin cells and leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. Add ingredients: 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Preparation: 1. Blend oatmeal. First, blend 2 tablespoons of oatmeal to a fine powder. 2. Mix ingredients. Mix the oatmeal powder with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt until you have a thick paste. Application: gently massage the scrub onto your damp face in circular motions. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Use the scrub twice a week for glowing skin. Benefits: exfoliates dead skin cells, softens and smooths the skin, provides a natural glow. Secret 3. Green tea toner. Our third secret is the green tea toner. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect your skin from damage. 10 ingredients: 1 green tea bag, 1 cup of boiling water. Preparation: 1. Brew green tea. Steep 1 green tea bag in a cup of boiling water for 5 minutes. Let it cool completely. 2. Transfer to bottle. And once cooled, transfer the green tea to a spray bottle for easy application. Application: spritz the toner onto your clean face or apply it with a cotton pad. Use it twice a day after cleansing your face. Benefits: reduces inflammation, provides antioxidant protection, refreshes and hydrates the skin. Secret 4. Avocado and Coconut Oil Moisturizer. Our final secret is the Avocado and Coconut Oil Moisturizer. This rich, hydrating blend is perfect for nourishing dry skin. Per ingredients: 1 don de ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Preparation: wean and mash avocado. Mash half a ripe avocado until smooth. 2. Mix ingredients. Mix in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil until well blended. Application: apply the moisturizer to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Use it as your nighttime moisturizer for soft, supple skin. Benefits: deeply hydrates the skin, provides essential nutrients, leaves the skin soft and supple. And now for the moment you've all been waiting for, a DIY skincare recipe that will change your life. Get ready to pamper your skin with a simple yet effective technique that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Say hello to glowing, radiant skin. And there you have it, 4 fantastic DIY skincare secrets that will help you achieve radiant, healthy skin. Remember, the key to great skin is consistency and using natural, nourishing ingredients. Additional tips to maintain radiant skin and health. Before we wrap up, here are some additional tips to maintain radiant skin and overall health. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your skin hydrated from within. Water helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin looking plump and healthy. 2. Balanced diet. Eat a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats to provide essential nutrients for your skin. Incorporate foods high in antioxidants like berries, nuts, and leafy greens to fight free radicals. 3. Regular exercise. Engage in regular physical activity to boost circulation and promote healthy skin. Exercise helps increase blood flow, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. 4. Adequate sleep. Ensure you get 7-9 hours of sleep per night to allow your skin to repair and rejuvenate. Sleep is crucial for skin health as it helps in cell regeneration and reduces stress levels. 5. Sun protection. Always use sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Sun protection is vital to prevent premature aging and skin damage. 6. Gentle skincare routine. Use gentle, non-irritating skincare products suitable for your skin type. Avoid harsh chemicals and opt for natural ingredients to maintain your skin's natural balance. In conclusion, embracing natural skincare is not just about looking good, it's about feeling confident in your own skin. Remember, your skin is a reflection of your overall health, so treat it with love and care. Let nature work its magic on you. I challenge you to try out these DIY skincare tips and share your results in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more skincare secrets and tips on how to achieve that radiant glow. Your skin will thank you later. Until next time, stay beautiful.